In just a few days, I'll show you how to unlock the most powerful AI and social media tools to build smarter and amplify faster without wasting months on trial and error or burning yourself out trying to do everything manually. With these tools and workflows, you'll learn how to get your message heard, keep your content flowing, and turn your ideas into offers that actually sell, all in record time. And it's not just about creating content. With the AI Business Amplifier, you learn how to build your entire business foundation with AI. From clarity of niche and voice to creating scroll-stopping visuals to websites, offers, and campaigns that convert. Everything you need to amplify your impact and income. AI can brainstorm viral ideas, create scripts that sound like you, and map out content calendars in seconds. It can generate visuals, faceless videos, even digital clones of you that scale your presence across platforms and languages. The secret is knowing which tools actually matter and how to use them. And like so many of our students tell us, it will blow your mind. Now, before I walk you through everything inside, let me ease your mind with a few important details. Number one, this program is designed to save you from wasting money on expensive subscriptions and scattered tools. I show you how to leverage free and affordable AI tools with proven workflows, so you save months of frustration and lots of money. Number two, AI Business Amplifier works for complete beginners and advanced creators alike. If you are brand new, you will get a step-by-step crash course that makes you confident fast. And if you are already experimenting with AI, the advanced sections will take you further than you imagined. Number three, this isn't static. AI Business Amplifier comes with regular updates, so you stay ahead of the curve as tools and technology evolves. Our students say this is one of their favorite parts. They never fall behind. And number four, we back this with a 7-day do the work guarantee. Try it, apply it, and if it doesn't deliver value, we'll refund you. So what will you actually learn? Let's see all that. With the AI, you can create practically any content you can imagine. But most people get lost in the oceans of AI tools. One tool is great for visuals, another for copywriting, another for videos. Which one do you use? That's where AI Business Amplifier comes in. We cut through the noise and show you the exact stack and workflows that work for business growth. You'll learn how to create visuals and videos that blow people away. Perfect for viral social posts, irresistible ad hooks, and authority building storytelling. And this is where it gets exciting. You'll create your own digital clone so you can be the star of your content without showing up live every time. Your clone can speak in multiple languages, teach in different formats, and help you scale globally. You'll also learn to create AI characters and avatars that bring personality to your brand. The benefit, consistency of character and message is a superpower that keeps your audience watching and builds trust. Now let's talk about video creation. If you create talking head content but hate your background, AI will let you transform your space instantly into a modern studio or cinematic set. AI powered editing will save you hours, editing video and podcast in seconds, enhancing your audio, adding captions, removing backgrounds, creating transitions, and adding animations that make your content stand out. Our students are proof. They are already creating more content with less effort and growing their audiences faster. And here's the truth, even with stunning visuals, if your idea isn't strong, no one will care. That's why I show you how to train AI to think like an expert in your niche, so it generates viral, on-brand ideas on autopilot. You'll learn how to fill your content calendar in minutes and then train AI to write in your voice. No more generic AI slop. Instead, your content will sound authentic, engaging, and consistent. You'll get start to finish blueprints for Instagram Reels, LinkedIn posts, shorts, full YouTube videos. You'll never face the blank page again. I will also show you how to use AI to create profitable ads for any product or service. Ads that connect with your audience, sound authentic, and convert. And AI writing goes way beyond ads. You will use to create website copy, emails, newsletters, even presentations. Imagine replacing hours of work with polished drafts in minutes. Then we'll move into AI photo and graphic creation, thumbnails, logos, product shots, infographics, and branded visuals, all done in minutes without design skills. And when you unlock digital cloning, it gets fun. You'll generate images and videos of yourself as superhero, keynote speaker, or a global coach. You'll create faceless videos, UGC style content, and branded B-rolls that make your work stand out from the crowd. AI can upgrade your product photos, design your brand logos, create banners for LinkedIn or YouTube, even give you professional profile pictures that boost credibility instantly. This is not just tips and tricks. AI Business Amplifier is a full blueprint to go from beginner to confident AI powered creator in days. No cameras, no editors, no expensive software is needed. And if you are one of those who are ready to monetize, every skill you learn here can be packaged as a service. From content creation to campaign design, there is massive demand. You will also learn proven ways to land your first client, start selling your services, or scale your existing business using AI. And one of the biggest opportunities right now is AI powered ads. Ads that used to take teams and big budgets can now be created in minutes. You learn our exact workflows for creating campaigns that drive views, leads, and sales, all powered by AI. Students like Ketan have used these systems to amplify the reach on LinkedIn. Rajwant gained clarity and momentum in her coaching offers, and Manmeet scaled his gifting business with professional content created by AI. The truth is, AI is not here to replace you, but those who use AI will replace who don't. That's why now is the time. The AI Business Amplifier gives you the clarity, tools and systems to save months of effort, save lakhs in wasted costs, and amplify your business with ease. Right now you can join with a special launch offer and get lifetime access. This is one of the biggest opportunities of our time. So if you are ready to build smarter and amplify faster, click below and get started today. You bring the heart and your passion, I'll bring the AI. Together we'll build smarter and amplify faster.